Introducing BetterPic AI, the future of photo editing. In a world driven by visual content, the demand for high-quality images has never been greater. BetterPic AI emerges as a game-changer, offering a revolutionary approach to photo enhancement and editing, powered by the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. This innovative tool empowers users of all skill levels to transform ordinary photos into stunning visuals with ease and precision. Traditional photo editing software often requires technical expertise and can be time-consuming. BetterPic AI breaks down these barriers, making professional-grade photo enhancement accessible to everyone. Whether you're a professional photographer, a social media enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to improve their personal photos, BetterPic AI provides the tools to elevate your images to new heights. The intuitive interface and AI-driven features streamline the editing process, allowing users to achieve remarkable results with just a few clicks. BetterPic AI is more than just another photo editing software. It's your intelligent partner in creating visually captivating images that leave a lasting impression. Who benefits from BetterPic AI? BetterPic AI is designed for a diverse range of users who demand exceptional image quality. Professional photographers can leverage its powerful features to enhance their portfolios, streamline their workflow, and deliver stunning results to clients. Social media managers and content creators can use BetterPic AI to elevate their visual content, capturing attention and engaging their audience. E-commerce businesses can benefit from visually appealing product images that attract customers and drive sales. Real estate agents can showcase properties in their best light, highlighting key features and creating captivating virtual tours. Individuals can use BetterPic AI to enhance personal photos, preserving memories with stunning clarity and vibrancy. The versatility of BetterPic AI caters to a wide range of needs, making it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to enhance their visual content and make a lasting impression. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a casual user, BetterPic AI empowers you to unlock the full potential of your images. Solving photo editing challenges with AI. BetterPic AI addresses common photo editing challenges that often require significant time and effort to correct. One of the key problems it solves is poor lighting. Photos taken in challenging lighting conditions can appear dull, underexposed, or overexposed. BetterPic AI analyzes and adjusts lighting automatically, bringing out detail and creating a balanced exposure for a more visually appealing image. Another challenge is image noise, which appears as graininess or artifacts, particularly in photos taken in low light. BetterPic AI effectively reduces noise while preserving image detail, resulting in cleaner and sharper photos. It also tackles issues like color imbalance, lack of sharpness, and distracting backgrounds. With its AI-powered algorithms, BetterPic AI can intelligently analyze images and make precise adjustments, saving users valuable time and effort while delivering professional quality results. This allows users to focus on their creative vision and achieve their desired outcomes without getting bogged down by tedious editing tasks.